Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinay in the Bronx. Bridge or pathwalk going to the beach. Oh my god. This beach is for good for surfing. It's not good for swimming. It's surfing capital. Okay. Dito tayo. Ayan. Pababa po kami. At ayun yung dagat. Let's see. Ang dagat. Tapos bababa kami dito. Ang ambience niya ay like up. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinay in the Bronx. Goes to Algarve, Portugal. Ayan. Dito tayo sa by the beach naman tayo. Pagkatapos ng city, by the beach. Ayan, nakikita nyo ang ganda ng water. It's a blue-green water. Napakaganda. Ayan, ang paligid ko. Napakaganda. Vlogger is life. Kaya ayan po, enjoy natin. Talaga naman. This is my first ever Europe tour. Talagang sinulit natin. Talaga naman. Papunta sa city, sa countryside. Now is in the beach, saying countryside, but it's 5 or 6 hours driving from Coimbra. So, but the beach is very mataas yung waves niya. Napakataas ng kanyang waves. So, it's good for the people who loves surfing. Very nice area, very calm, very relaxing. So if you want to come here, just go to Portugal for your trip. And of course, we're in October right now, so the water is cold. Water is cold. Maalam na siya. Very, very good. Ang sarap maglakad sa tabing dagat. It's very nice. O, saan ka ba nakakita? Nasa dagat, naka-jacket. Diba? Kasi malamig po eh. It's cold because the air. So, chilly air. So, thank you for watching, guys. This is Pinay in the Bronx. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. See ya! watching. This is Pinay in the Bronx. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. See you!